Semina Dumelana Fshini, hi, welcome to Tumi's Tea. Itel she's a bell, Gafun go to Ulpuze, Uchachile, Kotal go to Puzo, Uchelipansi, Gova Walpuza, Uchachile, Uzusha. Let's get into the video. Well, Uminintuli launched her Pinifa business. One thing about Pinifa Wagam Minintuli, they are not those about those cheap pinifers. They are those expensive, luxurious pinifers. But you know, one thing about Twitter people or ex people, when they get something that they don't like, they're not afraid to voice their opinions. So they're like, Kanjani. Njani, how is this pinifer different from the one with Wele Small Streets? Make it make sense. They said people are being scammed. See, begile, eminiga ba, haibo. But these pinifers and the ones that you find in Small Street, there's no difference. They just look similar. And one thing I can tell is that, yes, they kind of look similar. Angazi, the fabric with the texture, that one I'm not sure. But when you look at that picture, the one from Small Street and this one, there's nothing that makes these ones different. It's just amapinifa nje. Angeke nomuntu azakwazi nokuhlukanisa ukuthi okay, le yakamini intulu le yakalo. But maybe Mausondela, maybe in person, maybe there's a distinction. Maybe that's where you see what as in le fabric I find, because I've seen materials whereby abange they but especially Sutu materials whereby abayithenga a small street and then omunye akutshela ukuthi mina ngiyoyithenga kuphi because the material is different. And I've seen that, and you can attest to it, because in person, when you touch the texture, you can see that one is thick and that one is thin. Maybe that's what happening with amapini vagamini ntuli. You might find ukuthi yazini mawabamba itiki yabongathi double layer the vibes. And she also mentioned with the reason why her pinifers are different is because hers are 3 cats premium fabric. Ukuthi cat yini angazi, maybe laba bathu ngayise bazasichazela, because mina the only cat that I know is ikati. So angazi ukuthi ayenziwe ngekati or kanjani, I don't understand. Yeah, the vibes, but yeah, bayantshela ukuthi yazini mawufuna i3 cats premium fabric uthenge izinto zikaMini Dlamini. Oh, Mini Ntuli, I meant. One thing about amapinifa kaMini Ntuli, she named them ukuthi nje wa understand ukuthi yazini ukhona ukuchazela abantu ukuthi yazini mina ngigqoke ikifilo garment or mina ngigqoke ikarabo garment, to name a few. Yabo, you get the vibes. So nje wazi ukuthi maybe ngahlangana noLerato nosiphesi sihle khona lapho cabanga soyothenga nje iphini futhi ngicela iLerato ngicela ikarabo yabo, so that even if there's iphiniva yegama lakho, for example njengoba nguTumi, maybe there's iphiniva yakaTumi, so imagine nje ugqoke iphiniva yegama lakho, ibo nje vibes premium top tier. Fuck it. Before I close the video, I have to say congratulations to Anathi. Remember Anathi, the hip hop artist, angizawakhumbula ingoma zakhe, but that one bekashayivisa ngabo 2014, 2015. Yeah, that one. Well, he has lost weight, and one thing I have to say is that he looks good. One thing about South African celebrities, they are prioritizing how they look, and I love it for them. Clock it, because health is wealth. After all, if you want to live longer, some people say that, you need to look good, because also losing weight helps with certain diseases and types, because sometimes when you are overweight, it's easier. Doesn't mean good velo uzogula, but it's easier to avoid certain things, about sugar, about diabetes, the vibes, So just seeing him looking after himself, looking good, and also it doesn't look like he was part of the Ozempic squad, because he is more muscular, because those who are allegedly using Ozempic, I've seen them, they just look like abanawo, like muscles, they just look like their skin looks sagging, the vibes. So with him, it looks like he was putting in the effort at the gym, or if it's a surgery, then it's one of those surgeries that were done good, but he looks good, and we are just proud of him. Thanks for watching.